In front of me is HONOR X7c, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To turn it off, tap on the same shortcut. You can also go into settings and scroll all the way down to tap on location section over here. Then use this widget to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!